could put us in robot outfits. We make the stupidest robots on the planet. You know, like Shanks is throwing himself around in this big robot suit and he keeps coming up with cuts and bruises. I'm like, you should get knee pads. I'm convinced that knee pads somehow solve every problem. I show up at rehearsal now with knee pads in case I have to go down to my knees. Like it's like a joke on set, man. They went and bought me these special like gel inserted knee pads because I'm like, they're like, okay, so you go under the panel. Oh, I'm sorry. Can I get the knee pad? Hey, knee pad, knee pad. Go for knee pads. You need the knee pads. The knee pads to show up. Please talk amongst yourselves. The knee pads show up, and then it's like, okay, all right, I got the crystal. And then I need help getting up. I've decided to get old faster. Like, you know, they're like born to ride, born to be free. I was like born to be old. So, and the question about Shanks.